Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is chili lime garlic shrimp. Yes, here are the ingredients: shrimp, my special seasoning, garlic, chili sauce, lime, and butter. So if you want to see how your girl created this masterpiece, then please stay tuned. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and season the shrimp. I'm going to use my special seasoning and some paprika. Okay, so now we're going to add some margarine, butter, whatever you want to use. We're going to add this to the pan and also some garlic. So we're going to go ahead and saute the garlic before we add the shrimp. So we also going to add some green onions, and after we do this and brown the garlic a little bit, we're going to go ahead and add those shrimp. So once the shrimp look a little pink, a little gray, a little pink, we're going to add the chili sauce as well as some lime juice. And we're just going to go ahead and stir that around and let that cook for at least 10 minutes.
Seven
So that's it. It didn't take that long. This is a quick, easy meal. 15 minutes. Look how good that looked. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Don't forget to please rate, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share this video on your social media platforms. And leave a comment. I love you guys.